off the wing there and that's the island on it.
You know this is going on Facebook.
So hard to control.
All drive donuts. That's so awesome. That's the meanest WRX out there.
Oh yeah, man. Slam. Park in the handicap spot, you know? Back in.
That's the JDM parking too.
Okay.
I'm good.